Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commission has come in. I'm live here in my Gmail account, and just 12 hours ago, this is a monthly recurring commission for $10. More importantly, in this video, I want to show you how even as a free member, you can earn affiliate commissions, monthly recurring commissions with Second Splash. And you can also, as a free member, earn viral passive traffic. So a bit later on in the video, I'm going to show you how if you join our team, there'll be a link in the description. I'm going to share with you a done-for-you funnel where you can turn your Second Splash program from one income stream into three passive income streams. So I'll go into my Second Splash account here. So I'm live in my account. The latest commission is here for $10. Going to go on click to view. First of all, I'll just show you here these are the splash pages that you get with Second Splash. So these are the splash pages, very easy to create. All you do is go into how all this works. There's a tutorial in there to teach you how to set these up. Very beginner friendly. So you can get viral passive traffic from those splash pages, which is why it's called Second Splash. And in here we've got the commissions. So this one will get paid. The one I've earned today will get paid next month. You're a month in arrears. Further down here, what you'll see is this one here is for $97. So you may get a referral who decides they want to pay for their membership 1 year up front, and so you can earn a higher ticket commission rather than get the monthly recurring commissions. That would be a one-time higher ticket commission that you can earn with Second Splash. Let's have a look now at the bonus income. So built into the program is a bonus income, and what you do is, this is called Easy Cash for Ads. If you're not familiar with Easy Cash for Ads, it's the sister product of Second Splash. The owners of Second Splash have owned Easy Cash for Ads for 7 years. It's a very successful 100% autopilot bias traffic source and unlimited $10 payment income source. They do give you in the bonus income section here, they do give you all these 7 reasons to join. If you do want to join, all you do is click here to join Easy Cash for Ads, and then once you've done that, you put your username into this window here, Easy Cash for Ads username, click update, and if any of your Second Splash members decide to your referrals decide to join Easy Cash for Ads, then you can earn both referral income and passive income from that program. Watching this video here explains exactly all about it, but I'll just show you some proof here that works, because I've been with Easy Cash for Ads for quite a while now. I made $940 profit with the program. I'll go into in the members area here of Easy Cash for Ads. I'll go into view your commissions, and there's no monthly payments. It's a one-time $19, so it's a great way to earn unlimited $10 commissions. And you'll see here again, you're a month in arrears with your payments. What you'll see here is all of these. So once you've paid your $19, that $9 goes to admin, and after that you can earn 100% commissions. No monthly membership cost, just the one-time payment. And you'll see here that since over the course of the time that I've been with Easy Cash for Ads, this is not just a referral income, there's also a passive income part to the compensation plan as well. So when you watch this video here, it will tell you all about how you get paid passive income as well as monthly recurring income. And then what you can do is, you've joined Easy Cash for Ads, and you can promote Easy Cash for Ads like I used to do before Second Splash, and I still do. as a standalone offer. So if you want to join our team, there'll be a link in the description, and we're going to give you a done-for-you funnel for this, for Second Splash. So it's very beginner friendly. Don't get overwhelmed by all the information on this page here, because all you're going to do just to create this page is copy and paste a code into Leads Leap. So if you want to join our team, what you do is put your name and your email in there, and then you're going to get this page here to promote Second Splash as well. And then what happens is when you opt in, you'll get to this page here, welcome aboard, and then you can join Second Splash. So there's a video there, a Second Splash here. That's where you join. And then we're going to give you these 2 pages and the follow-up messages just by copy and pasting these codes here into Leads Leap. It's very beginner friendly. Just takes a little bit of time to set up. But once you've set everything up, there's also follow-up messages. But once you've set everything up, you're just going to promote one link. Then you're going to put your Leads Leap affiliate link into there. And even as a free lifetime member of Leads Leap, you can earn affiliate commissions. So your prospects opt into the lead capture page. Then they come into here. This will take them to this page here. We just teach you in the video here how to set it all up. And they'll join a Second Splash through you there. And if they upgrade, you'll earn monthly recurring commissions. And if they want to copy this funnel as well, then they join Leads Leap here through your affiliate link. And then you'll earn Leads Leap monthly recurring commissions. So very, very simple, very straightforward. And you'll see here that Leads Leap do pay nicely. My total earnings so far with Leads Leap on this row here are $795, and the majority of that is monthly recurring commissions. I did start off for free with Leads Leap, and I promoted it till I earned some commissions, and I upgraded to the Pro account, where you get a higher commission level for your recurring commissions. But you can earn monthly recurring commissions as a free lifetime member as well. So we're turning your Second Splash program from one income stream there into 3 income streams. And if you want some free traffic to promote Second Splash, if you're on a tight budget and you want some free traffic, then I'll put my blog post, which gives you my best 5 free traffic sources that I personally use every day. And you can use these 5 traffic sources to promote Second Splash. And even as a free member of Second Splash and Leads Leap, you can still earn some commissions. And then I recommend once you've earned those commissions, upgrade, and then you can earn even higher commissions. That's the key to success. Start for free, build up some money into your accounts, and then upgrade so you can earn even higher commissions. So that's exactly why I started with most of my programs. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And also please share the video on social media as well to support the channel. But if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I've got I'm doing several new videos every week. Got over 1,000 videos now on my channel, and you get notified of each time I upload one. Any questions on Second Splash or on Leads Leap or the funnel, any questions at all, please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will take you to this page here. So to join our team, just put your name and your email in there. You'll get taken to this page. You can join Leads Leap for free. You can join Second Splash for free. And then you're going to go into your members area of both these platforms. And you can have a really good look round You've got how all this works here. So you've got everything in here that explains in great detail here how all this works. If you've got any questions, you can always just send me an email and I'll help you out with anything if you decide to be a member of our team. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.